Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, I am pretty excited because I got some brand new things from the Dollar Tree. Now first of all, can you guys believe it is almost Halloween? It is almost Halloween. So I need some new Halloween stuff. And my mother said she was going to the Dollar Tree. So I was like, you know what? Since you're going to the Dollar Tree, why don't you just pick me up a few things? She was like, well, I don't know what to get. I'm like, it's the Dollar Tree. Like, you can't go wrong. So she bought me a bunch of things from the Dollar Tree that I have not seen yet. So it is going to be a big surprise. So it's pretty exciting because, again, I have no idea what she got me. All right. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I got, then stay tuned. I want to show you guys all the things I got from the Dollar Tree in order to decorate for Halloween. So I wanted to stick with a budget and not spend that much because we are going to use some of our funds to do like a spooky maze for kids. So I did want to do something in the house, and I'm going to show you, kind of what we did with that. All right, so to get started, we have our Dollar Tree glasses. You guys, I am so in love with these glasses. So we have them in black and orange, and then they also have the bigger ones right here, and then here's the orange one, like that one. What else do we have? Oh, we have our little witch. She does make a sound. Let's see if I can. She's motion activated, but I think I have to turn her on first. The batteries are kind of dying because my kids have been playing with her. She's not working right now, so I have to replace the batteries. Watch, as soon as I leave, she'll come on. See? I told you guys. She does that. I have my little welcome, my pretties witch right here. She's so cute. Let me fix her. She's kind of falling down a little bit. And I got her sitting in between her two little witch buddies right there. Here we have a Dollar Tree bowl. And this is just like a Dollar Tree garland. Little pot right here. And what I did was I had some leftover ornaments, and I'll show you from what. And I just added them in this bowl. These little eyeball ornaments. I think that is so cute. Right there. Next we have these beware go back signs. Danger and my little skeleton right here. Let's have him hold the sign. There you go. And this cute little Halloween tree. This thing is so cute. And I only needed like a few ornaments to put on here because the thing is so small, but it works. And then we have this little eyeball garland wrapped around it. We have the little Dollar Tree pumpkin. Here we have this little ghost hanging in our window. Picture hat so they can see you. All right, we have him, and then we have our little boo ghost. Here we have this little scary thing. I like him because their arms bend, so I was able to wrap him around one of our vases. And then we have some more Dollar Tree signs. They're so cute. I love this one because it has the bling. If you guys are familiar with my channel, you know that I love everything bling. So just put him right there. Here's another one. Next we have this ghost. And he also is just like this little scary guy over there. He has like the little bendable arms. I don't want to move him because I'm afraid that he'll fall off the vase, and it took a while to get him up there. And then I have these spiders. I just cut these out myself from paper. Same thing. I just kind of added a few other things myself, like these little bat confetti. I cut those out as well. But I got my spider. I got the spider web. And I have those little spiders going around them. Here's my other little characters. I have my mummy right here, and my other character, my vampire, and then I have a little bat, a cutout put right above him. And then I have some uplights, some orange uplights, just to kind of add to the mood. And I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like with the lights turned off because it does give it a different feel. So it did not take much, you know. Oh my gosh. It didn't take much to kind of decorate this room, and so that way our kids still feel like, you know, we did some decorations inside for Halloween. And I still have a bunch of stuff that I'm going to put downstairs. You guys, if you're not a subscriber to my channel, please subscribe, because we are about to hook up our basement like we did last year and create like this maze for our kids, since we're not going trick-or-treating again this year. If you guys haven't checked that video out, please do so. I'll put a link in the description below. But check that out. And now I'm going to show you what this looks like with the lights off. They are already putting out Christmas decorations, you guys. Christmas decorations already. So they have this stuff in your dollar stores. Hopefully they have it in your dollar stores. If your dollar store is like mine, you better go in there quick, because they're going to be going soon. But anyway, I got all this stuff from the Dollar Tree, and I love it because it was affordable, and I was able to create this little quick Halloween ambiance in our dining room for our kids, and they love it. And yeah, so that's it, you guys. Be sure to subscribe so that way you get to see all of our Halloween decorations that we're going to put up for our little spooky maze. And that's it. I will talk to you in the next one, guys. Take care.